And I feel that question kya tha?
How do you see the role of PR and communication? Hi, this is Shreya, a student at IID, and I'm currently part of media team at Stanley Communications. Hi, Anantika, please tell us about yourself.
Hi, I'm Anantika, and I've been in PR industry since more than 7 years now, and I'm a media expert at Stanley Communications. And I'm really loving this industry because there's so much of exposure and there's so much of great experience in fashion and luxury and lifestyle. Different brands that we have to work on day-to-day life and everything. So, yeah.
Could you share a little about your career journey so far and what drew you to PR and communications in the luxury, fashion, and lifestyle space?
So, like I said, I've been in this industry since more than 7 years now. So, I started my journey in this industry from Z Business. I was there for a news desk as a person there. And then I was part of a couple of PR agencies, also as a content writer, also a part of an event agency. And now I'm very happily part of Stanley Communications as a media expert here in Stanley, and I've been handling fashion and lifestyle media here for different fashion lifestyle. So I feel my journey has been really exciting, and I've learned so much in my journey, and I've seen so many ups and downs that I feel there is no age that makes you feel that you've learned everything in life. I feel every time, every single day, no matter if it's your senior or a junior or an intern, you get to learn so many things, and everything. I feel if you have that passion and that groundingness in your life, then I feel you have the potential in you to learn as much as possible in your journey. And I have great founder Jessica and also our brand strategist in Stanley Communication, Bhavya. I have so many other people in Stanley Communication that I've learned so much from them, and I feel that there is so much more to come my way, and I have to learn more and more things. It's a great pleasure working with renowned luxury brands, designers, and jewelry brands as well here in Stanley. And I'm all here to give my bestest knowledge and experience to whosoever I can. And yeah.
Lovely. What are some of the biggest challenges brands face in positioning themselves as luxury?
Okay, keeping it exclusivity, because I feel nowadays everything is so much there before time visible online. So I feel exclusivity is really important, and how you position your brand in the right direction, and also balancing the global communication and the domestic communication all together to align with the brand guidelines and the positioning of the brand as well.
How do you see the role of PR and communications evolving in the luxury industry over the next decade?
I feel digitally it will be obviously a biggest important thing, of course, there in the PR industry. It will be a core, of course, and of course print as well is always important and always comes with a great value. And also I feel going forward, personalization and storytelling will also be very important element in PR industry and PR as a PR role as well for in this industry. So yeah.
How was interaction with the students today?
Oh my God, it was lovely, and I feel that there are so many talented kids here in this college that I feel that the faculties of IID are doing a great efforts and support to the students, that they are here at this position to make beautiful projects and experiential event kind of thing as well. And I was very happy to meet all of them, and I'm really emotionally connected with this college because I think half of my team is from this college only, and Shreya herself is also from this college, and I have a couple of more very talented girls in Stanley Communication as part of my team, and I really look forward to connect with all of them in future whenever I am required to for any kind of PR related help. Of course, I would be happy to interact with them, and it was really great interacting with them, and it was an honor for me to be a part of this beautiful jury today. And I could, like I said, there is no age of whether learning gets stopped or something, but yes, I've learned so many things today as well from these kids. So yeah.
What advice would you give to students aspiring to enter luxury fashion lifestyle?
Your facts should be really clear. You should be very confident, present yourself very nicely, dress up nicely, be confident, be grounded, have a lot of patience, because what you see is sometimes not how it looks. It's more, it's so much going on ground in luxury events, launches, and previews and etc., that you have to have that essence of having that patience in yourself, so that you can manage the crisis situation, you can manage the too much of workload on ground and multitasking, be it any step of the entire flow of the event, I feel. So of course, get your facts clear, and then have patience, dress up nicely, be confident. If you have all the information, I think you will be confident. And if in case you do not know anything, you should always say a very sweet small line that rather than diverting the topic to something else which is not even making sense, that sure, let me just get back to you on that, or let me just check and get back to you on that particular information if you're not confident on it. So there's always a solution, and have a mentor in your life. That's the most important thing. And today's time is more of a Gen Z kids, so I feel that having a mentor to give you the right direction is very important. So I think IID has a great bunch of faculties here, and they are in good hands, of course. So I would 110% I would be happy to have the students part of Stanley, so that they can learn more and more. And yeah.
How industry ready do you think IID students are who are getting hired at Stanley Communications?
So I would say that after my today's experience at IID, I feel yes, students are very much ready to be a part of the PR industry, to get more knowledge and experience, and I feel they are confident enough and they know what the luxury brands are all about. And I feel that they are here learning the bestest that they could, and the later part comes, of course, amazing agency like Stanley Communication to brush them up, to polish them, to give them the right direction and exposure, of course, for luxury and fashion and lifestyle brands to work with, and get the bestest of experience here. So yeah.
Thank you, Anantika. It was lovely to have.
Thank you so much for having me here at IID. It was a pleasure being here. Thank you.